So you got to tell them about the music, Travis.
Yeah, something that's similar across both the secondary books is that infusion of music into that sharing and celebrating invitation. So we have infused music into almost every lesson that either connects with the pattern that we're focusing on, so within the lyrics, the pattern itself is somewhere within, or it connects to the theme of the lesson that we're creating, kind of the vibe that we're going for. So music is really important to extend and enhance that celebrational spirit in the classroom as we're going through the process. So that was something that we felt was very important to curate just the right soundtrack.
And it's
for
for
each
both
lesson.
books. And you even made
Absolutely.
Spotify lists.
We have
People are coming
playlists.
by and saying, I love the Spotify
We have the
list.
soundtrack in the appendix.
Yeah.
So yeah.
DJ Travis.
Even in like the MLA and APA chapter, there's music. So it's connected to the theme because kids, because that's not exactly super fun and celebratory, in text citations. So we even have the music there, especially to infuse a little excitement.
What did we use? I Love Research by Rihanna? No?
Yes, that was it. That was the song. It's an exceptional song.